Today I am going to discuss how to place a solar light fixture safely and correctly. It's a simple test if you close your eyes and take proper precautions. You'll need a new light fixture, a screwdriver, wire connectors, electrical tape, and safety watches. Step 1. Turn off the power circuits and your projector to confirm that no electricity is running before touching any wires. Step 2. Remove our feature. Clamp the later safely and take out the light bulbs. Step 3. Check the wiring and make sure the steering box is circled and in good condition. Step 4. Connect your new feature. Treat the wires to weather circulation with minus and what electrical check for each. Step 5. Attach the feature to the post and walk at the power or shape. Step 6. Turn the power back on and check the line. By following these steps, you can safely release a ceiling light feature and keep the room perfectly. Always remember safety first when in doubt, consult a professional.